So let's look at the blink sketch again. We can open it from Examples Basics Blink. Now we want to upload this to the board again. So let's connect our USB cable to the Arduino and then to our computer. So we can choose to upload it. Now, what you might spot when you connect it is that if you've got the circuit correctly connected, that the LED was already on. And the reason for that is because once you disconnect the power from your Arduino, the sketch is still saved. And so when you plug it in again, then it just starts running whatever sketch was running before. And that was the sketch that we had made where we had altered the values on the delay. So you could actually test the circuit without having the original blink sketch, but we chose to use the original blink sketch to make it easier. So as you can see, we have our blinking LED, and hopefully you have a blinking LED too. You'll notice that pin 13, the LED connected to that on the board, is blinking as well. So you have both LEDs blinking, but they're not independently controllable. So we can look at our circuit again and see what's happening. So we've got a connection from ground. It's going through the ground rail, through the jumper, through our LED. Now, if your LED isn't blinking and you've checked that the circuit is complete, perhaps it's in the wrong way. So try pulling it out and turning it around and putting it back in again. Once we've gone through our LED, then it goes through the resistor. If you've checked the position of the LED is correct and it's still not working, make sure that your resistor is in the same row as the LED, and so there's an electrical connection between that. And then go through our resistor and then into our green jumper wire, which goes to pin 13. And again, another thing to check if your circuit isn't working is, have you connected the jumper into pin 13 and not pin 12 or ground? If it's in either of those, then you won't get the LED blinking either. If you still have trouble getting it to work, that would be an ideal time to post to the Arduino forums. Always make sure that you describe the circuit that you've put together. If possible, include a photograph or something like that, and often people will help you out on that as well. But it's generally straightforward to put together. So just think methodically and go, okay, what are the things that I've tested and I know that are right, and what are the things that might still be going wrong. And if all else fails, maybe go outside and have a walk and then come back and look at it with some fresh eyes. So this is your first circuit that you've put together with an external LED. In the next section, we're going to look at connecting a button and receiving an input from the world, us pressing on the button, and then doing something as a result in our Arduino.